Hello, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Take a deep breath with me, in and out. Good. If you're listening to this, you've already taken the first most important step. You've decided you want to speak English. Maybe you feel a little nervous. Maybe you've tried before and thought, this is too difficult. Or, my accent is bad. Or, I will make a mistake. I understand. Truly I do. But today, right now, I want you to forget all of that. We are not here for perfect grammar. We are not here for a vocabulary exam. We are here for one thing only, to practice speaking, simply and confidently. My name is Anya, and I promise you, this is a safe space, a no-judgment zone. Think of me as your guide, or better yet, a friend who is here to practice with you. You don't need to speak to anyone else today. Just listen to me, and when you feel ready, repeat after me. It's just you and me, simple, easy. Let's start with the absolute foundation, the building blocks of any conversation. Not with complex sentences, but with the music of the language, the sounds. I want you to listen to the rhythm of my voice. Don't worry about the meaning just yet. Just listen. Hello. Hi. Okay, yes. No. Thank you. Please. Now if you can, say them with me, out loud, even if it's a whisper. Hello. Hi. Okay. Yes. No. Thank you. Please. Wonderful. You just had your first conversation practice. You see, you already know more than you think. These words are powerful. They can start a conversation, end one, show gratitude, be polite. They are your tools. Now let's give you your first superpower. The power to continue a conversation. Often, we freeze because we don't know what to say next. So, we will learn two magic phrases. The first one is, and you? It's tiny, but it's magic. It takes the pressure off you and invites the other person to speak. Let's try it in a very short conversation. I will play both parts. You just listen, and then we'll practice together. Hello, how are you? I can say, I'm good, thank you, and you? See? I answered, and I asked a question back. The conversation keeps going. Let's try another one. I like this music. I like it too. And you? Do you like this type of music? It works everywhere. Now the second magic phrase. This one is for when you don't understand, or you need a moment to think. It is, can you repeat that please? This phrase is your safety net. It is not a mistake to ask for this. It is smart. It shows you are listening and you want to understand. Say it with me. Can you repeat that, please? Perfect. So now you have your starter words and two magic phrases. You are already more equipped than before. Let's build a little more. The next step is to talk about yourself. Just basic, simple things. We'll create a little personal introduction kit. We'll do it in pieces. First, your name. The simplest way. My name is. Say it with me. My name is. You can also say, I am. Now, imagine I ask you, what is your name? You can say, my name is or I am. Try it. Say your name out loud. Excellent. I'm so pleased to meet you. Next, where you are from. This is a very common question. The phrase is, I am from. Let's practice. I am from. You can say your city or your country. It's your choice. Try it now. I am from beautiful. Now, let's put those two together. A mini introduction. Hello, my name is. I am from. Try saying the whole thing. Take your time, you did it. That is a complete beautiful introduction. You could use that anywhere in the world. Now, let's add one more common topic. Likes. What do you like? Let's use a very simple structure. I like. Say it. I like. And after, I like, you can say so many things. I like coffee. I like music. I like movies. I like walking. I like quiet mornings. What do you like? Say one thing. Just one. I like. Maybe you want to say something you don't like. That's okay too. I don't like. Maybe you don't like loud noises, or you don't like cold weather. That's a valid part of a conversation too. So now your introduction can grow. Hello, my name is, I am from, I like, and I don't like. You are building a story about yourself. But a conversation is not just about you, right? It's about connecting. So let's learn to ask questions. The easiest way to ask a question is to take a statement and change your voice. Your voice goes up at the end. Listen. Statement. You are from London. Question. You are from London? Let's try with our introduction points. Statement. Your name is Anna. Question. Your name is Anna? Statement. You like coffee. Question. You like coffee? Try it with me. Say it as a statement first. You like music. Now say it as a question. You like music? Feel the difference? That rising tone is a question in many situations. It's a fantastic tool. Now, let's put it all into a very simple, realistic practice. I'm going to imagine we are meeting for the first time at a quiet cafe. I will speak one line, and then I will leave a space for you to reply. Remember, you can use any of the tools we've practiced. I am from, I like. And you? Can you repeat that, please? Are you ready? Let's begin our easy conversation practice. Hello. How are you? What is your name? Where are you from? Do you like coffee? You did it. You just practiced a full, friendly, basic conversation. How do you feel? I hope a little taller, a little brighter. This is the core of it. Connection, not perfection. Now, I want to give you 3 golden rules for confident speaking, especially for beginners. Golden rule number 1. Embrace small talk. Small talk is not small or unimportant. It is the social glue. Talking about the weather, the place, or a simple observation is how friendships often begin. It's practice. It's safe. Don't underestimate the power of "it's cold today." Golden rule number 2. Be a detective, not a judge. When you listen to English in movies, songs, or hear with me, don't judge yourself for not knowing every word. Be a detective. Listen for the words you do know. Try to catch the topic. Is the person happy? Are they talking about food, family, work? Guessing the topic from known words is a super skill. It takes the panic away. Golden rule number 3. Celebrate every single word. You said hello today. Celebrate. You answered, I'm good. Celebrate. You asked, and you celebrate. This journey is made of tiny steps. Each one is a victory. Confidence isn't about shouting from a mountaintop on day 1. It's about quietly saying hello to the cashier and feeling good about it. Let's end with one more practice, a tiny bit longer. This time, I'll just be your conversation partner. Use whatever feels right. Ready? Hi there. Is this seat free? Thank you. I'm Tom, by the way. Nice to meet you. I come here often. The coffee is good. Well, have a nice day. You see? You navigated that. You responded. That is real conversation practice. Remember, your voice in English is valid and important. It doesn't need to sound like mine, or like a movie star. It needs to sound like you. Accent. That's just the music of your first language dancing with English. It's part of your story. So your practice for today and every day is this. Speak a little, every day. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Describe what you see out the window. Repeat phrases from this practice. The muscle for speaking is like any other muscle. It gets stronger with gentle, regular exercise. You have your starter kit. You have your magic phrases. You have your golden rules. You are ready. Thank you for practicing with me today. I am so proud of you for starting. Keep going. Be kind to yourself. And remember, your voice matters. Keep speaking. I'll see you next time for more easy conversation practice. Until then, take care. Goodbye.